Chapter 8 Enlisted Promotions. Section 8A Promotion Systems and Programs Required. Point 1 Enlisted Promotion Systems. The Enlisted Promotion System supports DoD Directive 1304.20, Enlisted Personnel Management System, EPMS, July 28, 2005, by providing visible, relatively stable career progression opportunities, attracting, retaining, and motivating the kinds and numbers of people the military needs, and ensuring a reasonably uniform application of the principle of equal pay for equal work among the services. While many significant changes have taken place with the enlisted promotion systems in recent years, there are some standardized, consistent aspects that airmen recognize and rely on for fair and accurate consideration for promotion. AFI 36-2502, Enlisted Airman Promotion and Demotion Programs, April 16, 2021, provides detailed information regarding enlisted promotion systems. Note: this chapter applies to Reg AF enlisted promotions. 8.2 Promotion Quotas. The Department of Defense limits the number of airmen the Reg AF may have in the top 5 enlisted grades. Promotion quotas for Staff Sergeant through Chief Master Sergeant are tied to fiscal year-end strength and are affected by funding limits, regulatory limits, and the number of projected vacancies in specific grades. Public law, as outlined in Title 10, U.S.C. Armed Forces, Chapter 36, Promotion, Separation, and Involuntary Retirement of Officers on the Active Duty List, limits the number of airmen who may serve in the Reg AF in the top 2 enlisted grades. The authorized average of enlisted members on Reg AF status, other than for training, in pay grades E8 and E9 in a fiscal year may not be more than 2.5% and 1.25%, respectively. 8.3 Enlisted Promotion Opportunities. While the USAF promotion system is designed to promote eligible airmen recommended by their commander on a non-competitive basis, there are additional opportunities and factors for airmen to consider regarding promotions. Airmen Below the Zone Promotion Program. Under the Airmen Below the Zone Program, airmen in the grade of Airman First Class may compete for early advancement to senior airman if they meet the minimum eligibility criteria. If promoted to senior airman below the zone, the promotion effective date is 6 months before their fully qualified date. Airmen are considered for below the zone promotion in the month, December, March, June, or September, before the quarter, January, March, April, June, July, September, or October, December, that they are eligible. Stripes for Exceptional Performers Program. The Stripes for Exceptional Performers (STEP) program is designed to meet those unique circumstances that, in a commander's judgment, clearly warrant promotion. The STEP program is intended to promote airmen for compelling, although perhaps not quantifiable, reasons. Isolated acts or specific achievements should not be the sole basis for promotion under this program. Under the STEP program, commanders at various organizational levels may promote a limited number of exemplary performing airmen with exceptional potential to the grades of Staff Sergeant through Technical Sergeant. An individual may not receive more than one promotion under any combination of promotion programs within a 12-month period. One exception is that senior airmen must serve 6 months of time in grade before being promoted to Staff Sergeant. Commanders must ensure personnel who are promoted meet eligibility requirements. Weighted Airman Promotion System. NCOs and SNCOs compete for promotion and test under the Weighted Airman Promotion System, WPS, in the Control Air Force Specialty Code, AFSC, held on the promotion eligibility cutoff date. Contributing factors are weighted, or assigned points based on the importance relative to promotion. The Promotion Fitness Exam, PFE, contains a wide range of USAF knowledge, while the Specialty Knowledge Test, Tsgt, covers AFSC broad technical knowledge. The USAF makes promotion selections under the WPS within each AFSC, not across all AFSCs. This means those who are eligible will compete for promotion with those individuals currently working in their AFSC. Selectees are individuals with the highest scores in each AFSC, within the quota limitations. If more than one individual has the same total score at the cutoff point, the USAF promotes everyone with that score. Senior Non-Commissioned Officer Promotions. Consideration for promotion to the grades of Master Sergeant, Senior Master Sergeant, and Chief Master Sergeant is a two-phased process. Phase 1 consists of the WPS. Phase 2 consists of the Central Evaluation Board held at Air Force Personnel Center. Promotion selection is determined by a combination of total points from Phase I and Phase 2 in each AFSC within the quota limitations. If more than one individual has the same total score at the cutoff point, the USAF promotes everyone with that score. In-System Supplemental Promotion Process. The in-system supplemental action is typically processed on a monthly basis. Eligible staff sergeants through senior master sergeants, whose weighable data changes in their promotion file compete monthly for promotion consideration. In-system supplemental consideration also applies to airmen who test after initial selects have been made, such as deployed airmen, or anyone who was unable to test during their normal testing window. Senior Non-Commissioned Officer Supplemental Promotion Process. The SNCO's Supplemental Board is for those members promotion eligible to Master Sergeant, Senior Master Sergeant, or Chief Master Sergeant. Supplemental evaluation boards are conducted on a semi-annual basis. SNCOs may request to meet the supplemental board if they believe they have a valid request. With the exception of a missing static closeout date evaluation, there are no automatic approvals for supplemental board consideration when a record did not meet a previous board for which they were eligible. Supplemental promotion consideration may not be granted if an error or omission appeared on the data verification record or in the SNCO selection record located in the personnel records display application, and the individual did not take the necessary steps to correct the error prior to promotion selection or prior to the evaluation board. Fully documented supplemental consideration requests, to include proof of corrective or follow-up actions taken by the individual to correct the error, are submitted to the Military Personnel Section in writing with the recommendation of the individual's unit commander. The Military Personnel Section forwards the request to Air Force Personnel Center for final approval.